most valuable thing I've gained from the MCOR program has been the ability to lean on experts who've done it before.
We've met a number of different manufacturers and along the way gotten advice in terms of how to manage those relationships and how to go about our process of searching for a manufacturer and looking for partners in that space. There's been a lot of focus on supply chain, product sourcing, making sure that you have multiple sourcing partners that you can work with so that you're never beholden to one. That's something that we did not focus on at all before MCOR, and now we have a good handle on and feel that that's going to put us in a much better position to be successful.